Hi, this is another episode of Coach's Corner, Mind Body Wellness Center. I'm Tim Brady, and this is Aaron Engelbart, and he is a certified psychedelic therapist that does work with some of our patients here at Mind Body Wellness Center. Today's subject is integration. What does that mean? Integration is part of that overall arc of the ketamine-assisted therapy, first starting with the intention work, and then going into the actual IV journey. And then most importantly, where the goal is at is the integration aspect. And so I asked Aaron to come sit with us and just kind of give us what he thinks, or what does integration mean to him.
Okay, I'm here today to talk about integration. I think it's a very important part of the entire process. It is kind of the last stage that you get to, so it's going to involve some intention setting on your part. I really lean on the clients a lot to have an idea of what they want to do with their journeys. I'm there with them the entire time. I really like it when they can have the same face that they're with each time, so that we can kind of have time to build a relationship. Then we go through the journeys themselves, and those can be very kind of far-ranging, very different. Each one is kind of different and unique, even for each person, each time. And then what we get to when we're left with, you get through your session, or you get through your 6 sessions, what we move to is called the integration stage. And that really is the stage where we start to organize the things that we experienced in our journeys, and we do that together. Again, you're going to be a big part of that. It's going to be about your experience, and I'm going to help you sort of make sense of that as the therapist. It sort of mirrors traditional therapy if you've done that kind of thing before, but it does open up some doors, and it opens up kind of a portal to some deeper understanding and some deeper truths maybe that you could come across. So I believe that the entire process is obviously important, but integration is completely necessary, and that's where you start to work. So the sessions themselves can be very enlightening. They can be very relieving. They can be even fun. But when you get down to the integration, I think that's where you start to really work and start to dig in and kind of make sense of the entire process.
Yeah, so the overall arc of the whole experience, ending with integration, I think is something that obviously Aaron and I strongly feel about, and should be sought after after each session, and then even continuing on post protocol. And these things that you cultivate with your therapist or your coach on the integration stuff can really move you to and beyond, stepping into your higher self, if you will, and the work never really does stop. I think the awareness that comes with the therapy sessions can really enlighten and allow somebody to continue on in a very positive way, knowing that the work does never really stop.